How is everybody doing? All right, today we shall just have some kind of random conversation. I like this randomness. I don't know about you guys. Tell me in the comment section. Do you wake up at like at 3 a.m. in the middle of the night with all these ideas running through your mind, insights, solutions? It is the best. You know, if you're ever triggered to wake up at that hour, actually wake up, get your notepad and sit and wait. You'll be amazed what the mind is releasing, what your feeling is around the atmosphere. You'll start getting amazing insight. At the beginning, when I used to wake up at around that time, oh, I would be so upset because I used to have a regular corporate job. So by 6, I should be up, ready, going to work, and I need to be fresh. So when you wake up at that hour, during the day, you struggle a little bit, at least at the beginning. So, and I had a lot of resistance because I didn't know that that's when I was writing the most, you know. Then, out of instinct, I decided, when I wake up, I'll just write because, you know, I like writing random things. When I started writing, I realized I was doing most of my work at that hour. My mind was clear. I instinctively always knew what to do. I just knew the next step. Then I started realizing there is a magic to that time. It's as though you're having this supernatural help, as though you have a team of people helping you out, but they're speaking to you like in your mind. Because everything if you're looking for a certain solution, it will just pop up. Then I write it down. I'm thinking, oh, how am I going to organize all these notes? An idea just pops up, you know. So ever since then, I embrace waking up at those times. It has happened to me for years, maybe 5 years or so. I don't fight with it. And interestingly, you don't struggle during the day either. It's just magical. And when you're awake, it's usually not for long, maybe 30 minutes, an hour, and all of a sudden you just feel this overwhelming need to sleep again. So if you're out there, hopefully you don't have a medical condition why you can't sleep, that you have to see a doctor, please. But if you just feels like your body naturally wants to wake up at that time, allow yourself to wake up. Always have a notepad beside your bed so that you can take down notes and record all the insights. All these things are things that pop up, are usually things that are hidden in your subconscious that are revealing themselves. And during the day, my thinking is it's too noisy for you to capture those ideas. So God in his mercy, he picks like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. to wake you up and give you the idea so you don't miss it. Isn't that wonderful? So I encourage you, if you wake up at that time, take advantage of it. It's a beautiful time. You will create amazing things. We are all creators of different versions. Some are artists, some are musicians, others are writers, others you just create beautiful things of all sorts. You know, remember that creation genius is inbuilt within us. So you don't have to wait for others to give you solutions. You are embedded with the solutions, but they may need activation. They may need a trigger. If you're listening to me, don't worry. I'm a catalyst by nature. You're being triggered. So those insights and next steps will start naturally coming to you. Yeah. Anyway, Zores, this is Kireki, author of Divine Soul Whispers and other books which one? Live Like a King for those who want financial books, and Wisdom Nuggets. That's a beautiful one. It's Wisdom Nuggets is it's mostly quotes, but take advantage of that, of the 3 a.m. hour. It's a good one for creatives. Talk to you soon. Bye.